Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the Form Builder block, which lets you build engaging forms in the Gutenberg editor very easily and efficiently. Let's go. On the screen, there's a container block with a title and subtitle. Now, to add a new block, click on the three dots, and then select Add After. Now type / and type form. Now select the form block from the quick menu. In that instance, the form block appears in Visuals, and that's the default look. Under the General section in the Basic tab, you can switch between the three preset styles. Each has a unique content presentation. The next section is Form Settings. Under this section, you can edit the basics of the form, including the title, notification type, email to address, email CC, and subject. Right below, you can configure your form for the submission behavior, such as the success message type, position, message text, fault message, and validation message. After that comes the Submit button section, where you can change the button label and alignment of the button and show the icon. The button icon is also customizable here. As for the form validation, there's a Google reCAPTCHA option below that you need to turn on. Now, if we go inside the block list view, you can see the individual blocks that create this form block. That includes text field, email, and message field. So you are free to add the repeating fields and use them to get more information from the subscriber. You can also see that the menu options are different for individual elements. For the text field, you'll find the label, icon, and field required button options under the General section. Then, inside the Content section, you can change the field label, placeholder text, the field required message, and the icon of the field. Once done, you can move the field upwards and place it before the message email fields. It makes it super easy and convenient for you to create any form at any time. Now, let's select the form block and go to the Style tab. In this part, you can customize the form's appearance. The first section is for the label. Go ahead and start with the label color, then the required mark color, and then the font typography. Typography is a combination of font settings, including font family, size, weight, space, etc. And then unlink the margin field and edit individual axis fields. The next section is for field icons. Here, you can change the field icon color and the size of it. Just like that, after that comes to the input field section. Here, you can start with the text color first. Then edit the placeholder text color. You can also work with the typography for a suitable change. Also, you can work with the border for the fields, like choosing a solid border style, then adjusting the border width, and finally changing the border color. Following that, go and adjust the border radius and padding for a better visual outlook. Not to forget, you can still change the background color of these fields. Also, you can unlink the padding fields and customize them separately. Next, the Field Focus section highlights a field when hovered. Now, under the Submit button section, you can do a lot to decorate the button. Let's start with typography. Then, the border radius and padding. And below, you can change the button text color and background color. The color part is also available for hover. Next is the message section. Here, you can edit the button color, font style, color, border, and padding for the successful or failed form submission messages. Now, let's save the form and update the page. That's it. Your form is ready to serve. And just like that, you can make tons of different forms using the Zoloblocks Form Builder block. You can take these form patterns for inspiration. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video, and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!